Just changing the fuel pump.
Changing the fuel pump. You were in the car when it
Yes.
when it went up.
Yes.
And any idea how that sort of?
No, sir. Probably the metal ring from the fuel pump.
And you were, it caught your hair on fire a little bit?
Yes, sir.
But you were able to get out and you're okay?
Yes, sir.
Rob caught the back porch on fire too. At any point did that?
God, I think
Was a structure at
where
oh,
you
okay.
can get into the where you put the you can get into the fuel pump down that way. So he was inside of there working on it. And I was right behind him in my car on the phone. And next thing I know, I look up, boosh, and he was still in the car. And as soon as I jumped out of the car, I was going to try to pull him out. He got out. I mean, there was fire in there. I don't see how he's not burnt up.